Hi, I'm Zach. On this channel, we bring you the best tools to get the job done as a professional tradesman. Today we're going to be talking about how to restore gummed up threads. A bolt got smashed, you hit something with a hammer, something got rubbed on the wrong way, you were working on a piece of equipment, whatever it might be. Sometimes bolt threads get kind of gummed up and they need to be brought back into line. You can do that with a triangular file, thread by thread, or you can also do it with a thread file. These are specially made files that have teeth at different intervals that are made for different thread pitches. So I have a 3/8 by 16 thread count bolt here that I took a hammer and kind of mangled up the threads with the hammer and with the vise to where the nut that's on here won't come off. I could probably force it off with a socket and wrench, but instead I'm gonna use this file to restore these threads. So let's come on in closer, chuck this up in the vise, and see how this file works. So I'm just gonna put that in the vise, make sure it's sticking out far enough. And this is I said it was a 3/8 by 16, this is actually a 5/16 18 thread bolt. So I'm gonna find my file and find the edge on it marked 18. There it is, so this is it. So I'm just gonna set that in the threads and just gonna do long, even, smooth strokes. Alright, let's take it out and check it out. Still a little bit tight. Just a couple areas there. Just a couple areas that could be straightened up just a little bit more. Actually, I take that back. Just running the nut across it kind of straightened out. There must have been some burrs on there. You can also throw some oil on there as you're cutting. Sometimes that helps the process go a little bit more smoothly. I'm going to chuck it up again and just hit it a few more times. I like to do one spot and then come over about a half a lap. That would be probably 3-4 threads. Probably 4 threads. Let's try that again. Look at that. Just spins right off. So to be fair, the bolt that I'm using is a pretty low grade bolt. If you're using a grade 8 and a really hardened bolt, maybe this won't do it. It's probably going to take some more effort. Probably want to throw some oil on there, and it may take a die, a thread die, to screw on there to really straighten things out. But if it's just a little bit of damage and it's not a super hard bolt, one of these thread files can save the day. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and tap the bell to be notified about future videos just like this. And let us know in the comments below what your favorite tools are when it comes to house repair and maintenance. We'll see you next time.